Hey, welcome to the Foodie's Paradise. In today's video, we will share the recipe for pasta marinara, but this is going to be a little different from traditional pasta marinara recipe as I've tweaked the recipe just a little bit so that my vegetarian friends can also enjoy this amazing dish. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so to start with, boil 4 liters of water in a deep pan. Once the water comes to a boil, gently drop in your favorite pasta. Here I've taken about 400 grams of spaghetti. You can go for macaroni or penne or whatever type of pasta you like. Now traditionally pasta is cooked al dente so that it could be cooked again in the sauce, but we will not be doing that. We will instead make sure that the pasta is completely cooked and we will drain off the water immediately to stop the pasta from getting cooked any further. Now that the pasta is ready, let's move on to prepare the gravy. In a pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To this, add 4 to 5 finely chopped garlic cloves. Just as the garlic starts turning brown, add 2 finely chopped medium-sized onions. Cook the onion for about 4 to 5 minutes, and while it's cooking, add 2 to 3 finely chopped green chili. As the onion becomes translucent, add 200 grams of sliced mushrooms. Spread the mushrooms evenly in the pan and close the lid. Mushrooms take time to cook, and it may take about 8 to 10 minutes for them to be properly cooked. So do not forget to stir them in between to prevent them from sticking onto the base of the pan. Once the mushrooms have cooked, add a teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can adjust the amount of pepper as per your preference. Now add a tablespoon of thyme and a tablespoon of oregano and give it a good mix. To this, add 3 cups of marinara sauce or pasta sauce. Although you can buy pasta sauce, it's fairly simple to make, and if you're interested, I have the recipe on my channel. You can click on the link displayed at the top right corner to watch the video. Add about 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and mix it well. Before draining off the water from the pasta, I had saved about 3/4 cup of the water in which we boiled the pasta. Add it to the sauce. The starch in it will make the gravy creamier. Okay, let this cook for a couple of minutes and that's it, you're done. Just mix this gravy with your choice of pasta, and that's how you make pasta marinara. We hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and encourage us to make more videos. Like the video and hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time we upload a new video. Take care. God bless.